Hi friends, welcome to Cape Cotton's video number 5. Today I am going to show you a wide variety of typical Bengal cotton, always high in demand. Okay, before that I am just showing you only two pieces of linen silk sarees. Okay, similarly this one. This is black with red, tissue border in either side. Okay. Pallu is with full zari, blouse piece also zari, red color with stripes. This one, okay. And the second one is sky blue, royal blue with light orange color, sunset color, okay. Either side is a border, zari border and golden work. This is also, see, this is purely hand woven. And pallu is in light orange color. Here also stripes in blouse. This stripes is zari stripes. And price cost 6,000. Let us start with our Bengal cotton sarees. First one is cotton candy color with either side violet color borders. Okay. Body is small flower design and same little bigger design in the pallu. This is pallu, either side zari border. Okay, functional wear. Once again I am telling you, there is no blouse piece attached in this sarees. We have to do mix and match it. Second one is loving Fanta orange with violet border. Simple. This is temple design in either side and flower design in the body. Throughout the body is the same design and pallu is with violet, that typical Bengal cotton variety. This reminds me of our national flag. See, green, white and red, full of green, white and red flowers. This is good for Independence Day and Republic Day. This is specially for patriots. Next one is pastel green. Pista green, we can say pista green with blue border. This is throughout the body. This design is running all over the body. This is Mundani. This is Mundani. Okay. And the common maroon. Maroon color is common, but design is very loving design of the body, and this yellow border in both sides. This is pallu with big design, same design with little bigger in the pallu. Okay. And last, purple color. Purple color throughout the body. One small leaf design is there. Same single color. And we can attract it. All the cotton lovers will like these sarees. And you know, Bengal cotton sarees is always high in demand. Sea blue. Sea blue with sky blue color. Body is sea blue and border is sky blue. Plain with border. Typical Bengal cotton saree. A small flower design in the pallu. Body plain with pallu design. Okay. A very big biscuit color with light ash, dark ash or light blue, you can say. biscuit color. Same throughout the body, the same design is vertical design. This is pallu. Design blouse also will be matching for this type of sarees. Lemon yellow, haldi design. This is good for haldi function. A small in this saree, these lines are very interesting. See, very attractive. I don't know you can see this in this camera. You have to zoom this side. These lines are very attractive in this type of sarees. This is pallu. Very attractive design. This is blood red. Cherry red, we can say cherry red. Cherry red color. This is cherry red with small border. Throughout the body, small, these three design. Green, yellow and white design. Same love mark design. Heart design, we can say heart design. Small heart design is there. In three colors. And this is pallu. Very attractive design. This is typical Bengal cotton. Purely handmade. This is attractive blue color, sky blue color. Last one. This is pallu, attractive pallu with navy blue. Navy blue blouse will do. In remaining these sarees, I will show you next video. Before that, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.